Hey guys, Henry here from ProductCreationFormula. In this video, I'm going to explain how to create a complete funnel using AI and a PLR ebook. We'll be speaking about 𝗤𝗂𝗶𝗹𝗹 as one of the AI tools to alter the main content. But before we get started, it is important to note that you should always read the license of the PLR content. This way you know what you're allowed to do and what you're not allowed to do with it. Lead magnets. First, let's start with the lead magnet. Now, you can take a couple of chapters from the PLR ebook and have them rewritten using AI content creation tools like 𝗤𝗂𝗶𝗹𝗹. This will give you unique and engaging content that's different from the original PLR ebook. The rewritten content can be turned into a short report that you can give away to your audience in exchange for their email address. Now, this report will serve to build your email list. Funnel creation. Next, you want to completely edit the entire PLR ebook using 𝗤𝗂𝗶𝗹 and ChatGPT to change the content. Then, you'll want to turn each of the chapters into a video script that can be used as part of your video course. The video script can be created by ChatGPT. All you need to do is load your PLR content into ChatGPT and ask it to create a video script around the chapter you added to the AI. The video course can be done in a couple of different ways. Number 1, the course can be created by using a series of PowerPoint or Keynote slides. To do this, all you have to do is read the script and record your screen. You can often find Udemy and Skillshare courses doing this type of content. Number 2, you can do a screen share to show your buyers how to do the more technical points. You can reveal how something is done by including a screen share of you doing it in front of them on screen. If you are unsure of how to do something that you want to include in your course, simply watch YouTube to find someone who can teach you how it's done. Then create a video similar to, but not the same as, the one you watched and mention things that you struggled with that might not have been mentioned in the video. This way, your buyers are aware of any problems they need to watch out for when trying to accomplish the task shown on the screen share. Upsells. In regards to upsells, you can offer complimentary or similar content to enhance the buyer's experience. For example, you can offer additional video courses, ebooks, or webinars that dive deeper into the topic that they have already purchased. This can be a great opportunity to add even more value to your customers and help them get the most out of the initial purchase. You can also consider offering coaching or consulting services to help them implement the information they are learning. You can also offer tools, templates, or resources that make it easier for them to implement what they've learned, such as software, plugins, or checklists. Finding affiliates. Utilize affiliate networks. Affiliate networks such as ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus have a large pool of affiliates looking for products to promote. By utilizing these networks, you can reach a larger audience, find potential affiliates, and increase the chances of improving your overall income. To use these networks, you will need to sign up and create a product listing, which should include detailed information about your products and what type of commissions you are offering. Additionally, it's important to have a clear understanding of the network's terms and conditions so that you can comply with their guidelines. Platforms like 𝗵𝗁𝘓, Platforms like 𝗬𝗁cie are specifically designed to connect product creators with affiliates. 𝗬𝗁cie has a large network of affiliates and is an excellent platform to inform affiliates of upcoming launches. When using platforms like 𝗬𝗁cie, it's important to provide detailed product listings. This should include information about the product, the type of commissions you're offering, and the promotional material that you will be providing to your affiliates. By providing detailed information, you can increase your chances of attracting the right affiliates to your product launch. Attractive commission rates. To incentivize affiliates to promote your product, it's important to offer attractive commission rates. The commission rate is a percentage of the sale price that you'll pay your affiliates for each sale they make. Offering a high commission rate can be an effective way to attract affiliates and incentivize them to promote your product. It's also important to offer recurring commissions for recurring payments or recurring subscriptions to further incentivize your affiliates. When offering a commission rate, it's important to make sure it is competitive with other similar products on the market. Selling your products on affiliate programs. Choose one of the affiliate networks such as ClickBank, 𝗕𝗏𝗁, or Warrior Plus to host your affiliate program. Each of these networks has its own features and resources. So, do your own research to determine which is the best fit for your product and business goals. Sign up for an account on the chosen affiliate network and create a product listing with all the important information about your product. This should include product title, description, commission rate, and any other relevant details that will help affiliates understand the value of promoting your product. Utilize the tools and resources offered by the affiliate network to manage your affiliate program effectively. This may include tracking sales and commissions, communicating with affiliates, and offering promotions and bonuses to incentivize them to promote your product. You can also offer your affiliates a competition and give a cash prize to the affiliate who makes the most sales. Utilize marketing strategies to drive traffic to your affiliate program and attract potential affiliates. This can include email campaigns, social media marketing, and paid advertising. Be sure to choose strategies that align with your target audience and goals. Monitor your affiliate program regularly to ensure it's running smoothly and to make any necessary adjustments, and to answer any support questions. Keep an eye on key metrics, such as sales and conversion rates, and make changes to your program as needed to optimize its performance. By following these steps, you can effectively leverage affiliate networks like ClickBank, 𝗕𝗏𝗁, or Warrior Plus to promote and sell your digital products through an army of affiliates and grow your business in the process. Transforming PLR content into a complete product funnel with lead magnets, video courses, and upsells can be a lucrative way to monetize your skills and knowledge. By utilizing AI tools such as Quillbot and ChatGPT and editing the PLR content to fit your target audience, you can create high-quality products that provide value to your customer. You can encourage affiliates to promote your products through platforms like 𝗬𝗁cie and 𝗕𝗏𝗁. You can reach a much wider audience and increase your earnings substantially. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload more videos. Please leave a comment down below to let me know what you think of this video. Also, please share it with others who you think might find benefit from watching it. With your support, we can continue to bring you high quality content about digital product creation. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. And bye for now.